deserve. When I'm feeling all alone, I call my brother on the phone, and he'll do everything to say a prayer with me. There is a friend who is closer than a brother. Through thick or thin, he is always by your side. And faith, love, is what you will discover when you find a friend who is closer than a brother. Does life have you drained, or are you walking in the rain, feeling like somebody's let you down? Though you're out on your own, you don't have to walk alone. His love is closer than the air you breathe. That's the beauty of it all. And though you have to do is call, like a brother, he'll be there to comfort you. There is a friend who is closer